ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Beautyforever. So thank you so much, Beautyforever, for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, y'all, before we get started, make sure you do one thing. Make sure you're subscribed, or you're still subscribed, and you're getting your notifications from all my new content. All right, so today we have a package from Beautyforever. All right, so we got a Beautyforever melt band. We got some HD wig caps, our wig. I don't know what this is. It's cute. This is a little mini seam ripper. A duster bag for your wig if you don't like to keep your wigs in the box. Information card so you can contact the company. We have a lace, this is a strip that helps disguise the grids on the lace. I think this is a water wave in 22 inches. Pre-cut closure wig, love these. These you can just literally wear and go. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-baby hair styled, okay? This wig is literally, you put it on your head, okay? She's ready to go. Love these water waves, perfect summer hair. So let's go ahead and get started with styling this wig. I always get my wig caps from Amazon. I think they come as like a 20 pack. I love these because they're darker. See, my hair is already braided down, but these braids are old. So I hope they can work for me. And the lace tint spray that I use is the Ebon. And I usually do 2 rounds of spraying. So then I'm gonna grab my contour powder. Make sure the elastic band is down. And then I'm gonna put the back comb in. So that's secure. And then pull this bad boy forward. Yep. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna tuck behind my ear. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. Yep. Yes, ma'am. This is looking very, very good. But before I do my makeup, I just want to wet the hair and kind of see how the hair is doing for me. And actually what I might do is just put a bobby pin right here, because I don't like how that lace was looking like it was trying to lift up. So I'm literally just gonna put a bobby pin right where the wig and the lace meet, because I don't want that lifting up. Cool. So just simply a water bottle and my Nairobi. You can find this on Amazon. And then I'm going to add the Alright, I'm gonna grab my dimming brush, which helps to make the waves and the curls pop. Alright, so that's one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and let it air dry while I do my makeup. All right, and we have the final result. How cute is this? So cute. Absolutely love how this came out. Makeup came out pretty fire today as well. But yeah, look at that. That looks good. Let me show you guys that this wig is glueless. Definitely glueless. Not glued down. This wig is so cute. Highly recommend this one. I haven't done a water wave wig in forever. So thank you Beautyforever for sending over this new unit. If you guys want more details about this wig, and links will be down in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.